Hello, my name is Charlie Sands, and this is my Aircraft Blockchain Management Program for GunnHack 2022. Although air travel is an extremely safe mode of transportation, accidents and equipment failures still do happen, and they cause catastrophic crashes that claim the lives of many people each year. We want to learn from these accidents to make aircraft safer, but how can we do that when almost everything in the crash is destroyed? The traditional method is to use flight recorders or black boxes. These boxes are designed to survive high-impact situations and preserve the entire log of the aircraft in the case of a crash. Despite the engineering and production that goes into them, however, there's still a single point of failure, and they're lost in about 11% of fatal plane crashes. I think that we can use blockchain, the same technology that's used to power our digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, to solve the problem of flight record keeping and validity checking on aircraft. We should use blockchain because it's a distributed, decentralized node system that allows each part of an airplane to keep a low overhead copy of the plane's entire logs on its onboard computers at once. This means that if any part of the aircraft survives the wreckage, not just the black box, the entire information about the flight will be saved. Now I'm going to show you a demo of how this works. This is my demo for my blockchain. On the left, you can see that there's an image of an aircraft with all the different parts that we can interact with labeled. On the right, you can see that we have the ability to send a message from any part of the aircraft and enter it on the ledger of the blockchain. Below that, you can see that we have the ability to view the blockchain from the perspective of any part in the aircraft. So for example, if the ailerons of the aircraft are failing, and they want to say, I am failing, someone cover for me, we can send that and check the ledger from the point of view of anything, any part of the aircraft, for example, the landing gear, and see that this message, I am failing, someone cover for me, is entered onto the ledger. We can also see that it was in fact sent by the ailerons. If we check to see what other authors of blocks there are, we can see that this one is the ailerons. This author ID corresponds to the ailerons, so they did send that message on the blockchain. Now, if for example, the rudder wants to say, I can recover horizontal control as an info message, we can see that if we check the blockchain from any point of view, let's say the propeller, we'll see that this message was entered on there.